everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be unboxing my final Lookfantastic mystery box. So I did purchase a little while ago the 3 mystery boxes for £30 and I've already unboxed 2 of them. I'll be sure to leave the links to those videos in the description, so check those out after this if you're interested. But this is the 3rd and final box, so I'm going to have a little look to see what they are, how much they retail for, and whether, you know, £10 is a good price for the box or not. Okay, and this is the box out of the brown packaging, and I tell you what, the other 2 boxes have been so handy just for like storage of other makeup and beauty items, so I do like they come in a really good sturdy box. But let's have a look and see what items are in here. Okay, so this one we have got some orange tissue paper and of course the little booklet with all the information in, and I don't want to have a look at any spoilers just yet. Okay, I'm just reaching into the box now, and the first item I have pulled out, oh, is this really pretty looking nail polish. So this is the Be Your Incredible Self with Nails Ink London, and this is their shade Portland Square. And I don't really tend to wear an awful lot of nail polish, so I probably will just re-gift this to someone else, but it looks like a really pretty shade, and I'm sure, you know, if you wear nail polish or you're into that, you know, you'd be really pleased to receive this. So I'll just have a quick look and see how much this item actually RRPs for. From what I can find online, this Nails Ink nail polish retails for about £3.50, and I have had a little look in the booklet and it does say the Nails Ink polish is fueled by charcoal and it helps to promote the health of your nails and protect against environmental aggressors. So yeah, it sounds like not only is it a really gorgeous looking shade, that it's going to be really good for your nails as well. But yeah, I definitely will be regifting this one to someone else. So let's have a look and see what else is in this mystery box. The second product I have pulled out is this Kingsley Pure Colour Frizz Fighting Gloss, and it does actually say here in the book that this is a conditioning heat protectant that improves colour vibrancy. Now, I don't have, you know, I have never dyed my hair, so this just is my natural colour, so I'm not sure whether this is just really for coloured hair or not. A little bit disappointing because this was like an either or product, and the other 2 items were a bodybuilding weightless shampoo and a bodybuilding weightless conditioner, and to be honest, I probably would have preferred to have received one of those, just because I always like to try and add a bit of volume to my hair because it is quite fine and quite thin. And I will either give this a go or I will just re-gift it to someone else, so definitely will not go to waste. Have heard of Kingsley and I think some of their products are quite expensive, so I will just have a quick look online and see what this retails for. Wow, okay, for just this small tube here, this retails for about £10. So the full size bottle is 50ml and is £26. This is just 20ml, so, you know, just under half, but wow, can't believe £10 of product just in this tiny tube. I knew Kingsley was perhaps on the more expensive side, but didn't really realise it was like that. From the first 2 products already, we've covered the cost of the box, so yeah, really excited to see what else I pull out next. And this is the 3rd item in the Lookfantastic mystery box, and this is the Polar Ice Pure micellar water with Arctic cotton. So you can never have too much micellar water. It's what I always use to take off my makeup anyway and to cleanse my face, so this will definitely come in handy. I like that this says it's fragrance free because I don't really like to put an awful lot of heavily fragranced products on my face. By the looks of the description, it just pretty much does what you'd expect micellar water to do. And I have tried, I think, a couple of products from this brand. I think maybe I received them in like a Birchbox or a Rockerbox, one of the other subscription boxes, and I thought the products were really nice and really kind to my skin, so good hopes for this micellar water as well. It does just say in the book that this also moisturizes and brings hydration to the skin without over drying or making it feel uncomfortably tight. So sounds like a good all-round product. I will just see how much this retails for. Okay, so it looks like you normally pick these up in a duo, so you get 2 of these sized bottles for £13, so making this bottle £6.50 alone. Definitely a far cry from the 90p Primark micellar water I have been using recently, and even I think on a par with the Garnier one. So I do have good hopes for this, and I'll definitely be trying this out once I have finished up my other micellar water. But yeah, excited to see what product number 4 is in this Lookfantastic mystery box. And this is the next item in my mystery box, and this time we have got a makeup product. So this is from Lord & Berry, and this is this really pretty eye pencil. So it says here, line and shade Glam Eye Pencil, and this comes in either bronze or gold. So this is actually the gold one. It's a really, really lovely looking pencil, and I do have a couple of Lord & Berry products. I have one of their lip pencils, which is really, really great, and I think I've got maybe an eyeliner, but from what I've tried so far of Lord & Berry, I've been really happy with the brand and really happy with the products that I have so far. This says here, it's comfortable on the eye, it has intense pigment and is long lasting. I think out of the gold and the bronze, if I'd had the choice, I would have gone for the gold, so really, really happy with that. I have had a little look online to see how much this retails for, and all I can find is like the full size pencil, which is about £10. So I'm going to say this is a good, you know, it's over half a pencil, but to be conservative, I'll say that this is worth about £5, which I think is a really reasonable price, especially considering what I've tried so far from Lord & Berry. I think from rooting around in the box, there are still 2 items left, so I'll get on and I will find out what they are. And this is definitely the second to last item that I've pulled out of the Lookfantastic box, and this is the This Works Perfect Legs Skin Miracle, a tinted multivitamin serum to perfect and help cover skin perfection. So this sounds really interesting. Haven't ever tried anything by this brand. It's got a slight fragrance, but nothing too offensive or sickly. So it does say here that this was another either or product. So you either got this or you got a mask, moisturizer and primer in one. Probably would have rathered that, to be honest, if I'd had the choice, but you know, this certainly won't go to waste. It just says it's a lightly tinted serum enriched with vitamin C and E to deliver a sun-kissed glow to the body. So it says it's suitable for all skin types and also suitable for use all over the body. So I have actually been using a vitamin C serum on my face, so you know, I can try this out on my legs and I'll see how I get on with this. So I will have a quick look and see what this product retails for as well. Wow, so this is another quite pricey item. So the full size of this is 120 mils and actually retails for £28. So this is a good sample size at 30 mils. So we're talking nearly £10 worth of product. I'm quite intrigued to give this a go. Never tried like a tinted serum or anything, and I don't fake tan or do anything like that, so definitely quite intrigued to see how I get on with this product. But I'm just gonna have a look and see what the final item is in this Lookfantastic box. Wow, and so this is the final item, and aside from the packaging feeling really nice, it's got like this wooden lid as well, which I really like. So definitely like a natural eco-friendly brand. But this is the Detox Unpolluted, and this is a facial moisturiser with aloe vera, green tea, ginkgo biloba, raspberry, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil and grapeseed oil. So yeah, I've got a lot of stuff going on in here. It all sounds really natural. It's got a really, really lovely fragrance, definitely very natural. It's just melting into my skin on my hand and getting that really gorgeous fragrance still. So this says here, a light emulsion that will hydrate the skin without saturating it. The antioxidant power of green tea is combined with the protective properties of the legendary living fossil ginkgo biloba. Never ever heard of that. And you just apply this to cleanse skin until it's fully absorbed. But I have never heard of this brand or even half of the stuff that's in here. It does say in here that it's just a lightweight face cream, provides intense moisture without leaving your skin feeling greasy. It's ideal for all skin types, which is really great. And I will have a quick look and see what this little tube retails for. Wow, okay, so another quite pricey high-end product. So this 50ml amount of product here retails for around £18. Now I know it is packed full of really gorgeous sounding natural products. Maybe if I saw it on the shelf at this price, I would be a little bit put off because it's a little bit out of my price range just for a facial moisturizer, but it does smell gorgeous. It has left even just my hand feeling really nice and soft and smooth, so definitely looking forward to giving this a go on my face and seeing how I get on with it. And that is my entire Lookfantastic box completely opened. I've added up the RRP for all of the items in the box and it actually comes out to around £53, which I think is incredible considering the box as part of the bundle only cost £10. I am really happy with everything, and you know, aside from the nail polish that I will re-gift to someone else, I'm looking forward to trying everything else out. I think that the box is really amazing value. So all 3 boxes as part of the Lookfantastic mystery bundle were some of their previous month's boxes. So I'm not sure if they are still on the website, but if they are, it's just something to bear in mind if you are looking at purchasing them, that maybe if you do have the subscription service already, you know, just be mindful that you are going to receive boxes you may well have received before. But if you don't mind, or you're, you know, happy with the surprise or receiving the same items again, then definitely would recommend going for it. They do, I think, fairly often do these bundles together. So this is the first one that I've bought, and yeah, I've been really pleased with all 3 boxes. As mentioned, I have already unboxed the other 2, so if you are interested, I will leave the links to those videos in the description. But as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I will see you again in my next video.